Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started. So friends, I'm coming back after a very long time because of some health issue. That's why I'm not able to upload video on time. But I hope all are you practicing on daily basis, okay? If you want to speak fluent English, just keep one thing in your mind. You will have to practice on daily basis. Don't miss a single day. If you missing single day, then you are going back to 10 to 5 days. Okay, so they keep this thing in your mind. And today I'm just saying that if you want to fluent in English, so just try to practice and be confident in yourself. If you are in confident in yourself, then you can definitely speak a fluent English. Okay, don't focus on other, just try to improve yourself and make sure your competition and your effort, everything is with you. Don't see other people and other people life, just try to make your life better and better from others. Okay, and yeah, this thing is important. And I would also like to share, if you want to speak fluent English, then just try to make sure you are speaking simple and easy sentence structure of English in starting. If you are doing this thing, then you will find that you are good in English. So just try to uh, make sentences with easy word and try to include modals and tenses. If you are using two things like modals and tenses, then you will find that you are good in English and you are able to make sentences and you are able to convert Hindi sentences in English. So just try to um, mention everything in starting in simple way. If you are doing this thing, then after practicing on daily basis, you will find that you are good in this thing. Okay, just do this thing. I'm sure you are uh, be confident and you are making daily video or daily practicing, and I hope you all are doing good in your life. So I think this video is maybe helpful for you. Keep practicing, keep learning and keep your body healthy. Bye bye everyone, I will meet you in next video.